Through these streets alone tonight, music in my ears, my only light. Walking past the corner store, faces I don't wanna see anymore. Turn the volume higher, higher, let the bass become my fire. Every step in perfect time, with beats that make me feel alive. Left my phone on silent mode, nobody needs to know where I go. And when the world gets too heavy, when voices try to break through, I press play, I fade away into a rhythm that's true. Headphones on, world off, nothing else can touch me now. Headphones on, world off, breaking free, I know how. Past the train station lights, people rushing home tonight, but I'm lost in melodies. Turkish songs set my mind free. Every track tells my story, pain and joy in harmony. Streets below my dancing feet, moving to this foreign beat. Beni anlamıyorlar, they don't understand me, but the music speaks my name. Her şarkıda ben varım, I exist in every song. Nothing here remains the same. Headphones on, world off, nothing else can touch me now. Headphones on, world off, breaking free, I know how. One more song before I go. Let it take me home, take me home. Music's all I need to own. One more song before I go. You take me home, take me home, take me home. Liefde zo'n aan niet.